Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall the Scikit-Learn library from your system. So if you're having any issues or if you want to uninstall and reinstall this particular library, so this video is for you. So let's see how to uninstall the Scikit-Learn library. First, you need to head on to the terminal of your VS Code. Once you are inside the terminal window, simply type in the following command, which is pip uninstall scikit-learn separated with a hyphen. Once you have typed in, hit the enter button and wait for the initialization of the process. It will ask you for a confirmation. In order to proceed, simply type in Y and again hit the enter button. And here you can see this message which says successfully uninstalled scikit-learn version 1.6.1. So that means that the scikit-learn library has been successfully removed from our system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.